Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef, and I just wanted to jump on real quick to show you how to make a very easy breakfast for acne clear skin. Again, this recipe is 100% plant-based. So again, I don't promote specifically plant-based diet. However, there's a lot of benefits to consuming a lot of plant-based, especially if you are eating a lot of protein in your diet and you're realizing that your health is kind of suffering because of it. It could be an indication to just switch over to more plant-based foods. Now, like I said, everybody's different. One person may actually thrive off a high protein diet and another may not. So everyone's different, so you need to find what works for you, and I'll be talking more about this in my new program that I'll be releasing soon. Well, I gotta work on it first, but I will be releasing a program on the specifics on how to fine-tune your diet so you can optimize your health and well-being, and this will be a very important part. So if you want to learn more about how to clear up your skin in detail and not just have recipe videos but have the educational piece behind it, you can buy my program. I'll have it on. It's going to be about $300, and I promise you it's going to be packed full of information, a lot of wisdom, a lot of experience, and a lot of anecdotal experience for myself, from clearing up my skin and understanding my own body and using my own body as a test subject to seeing what works and what doesn't work when it comes to clearing up your skin. So this is super important. I'm sure I know you'll definitely benefit from this. So here's just a very simple breakfast idea that you can optimize your health and well-being. So let's check it out. Very simple, guys. What I have here is 2 pieces of gluten-free toast. One side has about 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond butter. On the other side, what I have is some cranberry jam. Cranberry jam is low in sugar, so it's a good option, especially the cranberries themselves. They're not very high on the glycemic index. And then I sprayed some hemp hearts as well to get some omega-3s and 6s. So this is just a really easy way to make something in the morning, whether you're in a rush or whether you just need something quick, or if you want something a little bit sweeter, right? Obviously, we all have a sweet tooth, so it's, if you're craving a sweeter breakfast, this is something that you would definitely want to gravitate towards. And it's plant-based too, so there are some benefits to that as well, especially if you're consuming a high-base protein and the protein's not really cutting it for you recently. What I would incorporate with this recipe is my Acne Clear smoothie, which you can check in the link below, or you can just scroll through my YouTube channel, but I'll add a link below. The Acne Clear smoothie, a great addition. You can get a lot of fruits and vegetables as well with that, and more plant-based protein and more calories, especially if you're looking for calories, because sometimes it's kind of hard to get in calories when you're on a restrictive diet. But again, I would just recommend eating more higher quality based foods. That way you're going to be more satiated and gives your body the space and the time it needs to heal from the inside out. And again, there's other factors that'll also influence your skin, and there are more deeper reasons that you're struggling with acne as well, in case if all the external stuff doesn't work, which is why I'm releasing the program, which I'm going to be releasing Acne Mastery, what you need to do in order to fully heal in terms of emotional healing. And that's something I'll be speaking about as well. That's more of the deeper work, the inner work. So I'm definitely taking this YouTube channel in a new direction. And yeah, it's going to be profound stuff. And I really want you guys to get the full healing experience, starting with food. Food is the starting point. But again, sometimes there are deeper issues at play. And I'll also have coaching available as well to deal with your own personal emotional eating challenges. And if you are struggling with difficult emotions, we can work through that, talk about it, and hold a sacred container for optimal health. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Definitely liking where this video is going and in a new direction, and I'm integrating as much as I can so I can serve you guys much better. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Enjoy your breakfast, and I'll see you soon.